In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce Hostinger. If you've ever wondered exactly how to say this name, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it with a step-by-step guide to get you confidently pronouncing Hostinger. First things first, let's tackle the pronunciation itself. The correct way to say it is Hostinger. Let's break that down further so you can understand the nuances here. It starts with host, pronounced like the word host, as in web host. This part is straightforward, just like saying host in everyday conversation. Next, we move on to the middle syllable, which is ing. This ing has the familiar sound found in words like sing or bring. It's short and to the point, making it the connecting bridge between host and the final syllable. Finally, we have pronounced like the in teacher. It's that gentle sound at the end of many English words, ensuring that the pronunciation flows smoothly from start to finish. So, when put together, it's H-O-H stinger. Practicing it as one fluid sound ensures you'll sound natural when pronouncing it. Understanding these components, we can now piece it all together. H-O-H stinger. Saying it a few times in succession helps to build muscle memory, making it easier the next time you come across the word. It might feel a bit awkward at first, but with a little practice, you'll find it rolls off the tongue quite nicely. It's also helpful to visualize the pronunciation breakdown. Imagine seeing each part separately on a screen: host, ing, and Visual learners often find this technique useful for remembering things more easily and effectively. A good tip is to use the same breakdown method with other challenging words. Breaking them into syllables and relating them to words you already know makes it less daunting. Consistent practice is key, not just for this, but for any new word you encounter. Before we wrap up, remember that it's completely normal to seek out the correct pronunciation of words, especially those related to companies or brands you're dealing with often. Taking the time to learn and say them correctly can enhance your communication skills, make you feel more confident in your interactions, and even help you leave a good impression in both professional and personal settings. So, there you have it. You've now mastered the pronunciation of Hostinger. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for quick and helpful tutorials like this one.